Hey guys, my name is Sachin Analaki Palanimale and my metric card number is 10DKM19F1048. So my friend Suraj and I are gonna talk about a process which is called fitting. Fitting refers to the mating of two mechanical components. Manufactured parts are very frequently required to mate with one another. They may be designed to slide freely against one another, or they may be designed to bind together to form a single bond. The most common fit found in the machinery shop is that of a shaft in a hole.
Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Purti Fanaraki My matrix number is 10DKM19F1081. Let's look at the safety precaution. Keep proper discipline in workshop. Do not play with tools because they are sharp. When using chisel, its direction should be keep away from working persons. Then, clean up oil and greases or other liquid which is spilled on the floor, otherwise they may be cause of accident. When drilling, wear goggles or safety glasses to protect your eyes. And then always listen carefully to the lecturers and follow the instruction. And wear boots before entering the workshop. The objective of process and procedures are know the basic of workshop process and operate and control different machines and humans. Let's look at the procedure of fitting process. Object: cut and filling to prepare two workpiece and marking which cutter part A and part B according the measurement and shape given. Step 1. First, we mark the workpiece to cut into two pieces and we mark the workpiece according the measurement and shape given. Step 2. Draw lines on marking using scriber part A and part B. Step 3. By using hammer and center punch, mark the center punch and diagonal for part A and part B. Hold the workpiece on drill machine tightly and start drilling on the center mark. Put oil while drilling to avoid the drill bit heat and affect the process. And then take the workpiece and adjust in bench wise.
So the next one is process. We must assure that the surface of our workpiece is flat. We can assure it by using a tri-square, which is an instrument to check whether the surface of the workpiece is flat or not. And if we do this, we can get an accurate measurement. We start filling the workpiece on both its horizontal and vertical side until it get flat surface and measurement needed. So if both workpieces can stand without support, then it's completed. And then the last one, try to fit both workpiece, which is named as part A and part B, together. If it fits completely, fully, which means our project here is completed. And a note also, all dimensions must be in millimeters while calculating. So coming into discussion, there are a lot of problems encountered while doing this fitting process. So the first problem encountered is cutting on the workpiece which is not straight. So the best solution is we must tilt the hacksaw 45 degrees from the workpiece when cutting.
Lack of measurement. Let's see what are the solution for this problem. Make sure surface of workpiece flat when marking using angle plate or vernier clipper.
The last and the most common problem encountered is parallax error, which you guys all know. It mainly happens when the object is viewed from an angle due to the wrong positioning of our eye. So the first way to curb this error is to orient our eyes in a straight line. Our eyes should be in a straight line directly above the marking on our device. In the end of this fitting project, I had learned how to use equipment and machinery such as files, center punch, vernier head gauge, and also drilling machine. I also learned the importance of fitting process in engineering field. The production of this report is very important and should continue to provide a broader knowledge of equipment and how it works. I also learned how to conduct a project and finish its report properly.